Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage 30-001 C235 inch and an eighth 626. This is a mortise cylinder. This is an inch and an eighth mortise cylinder that is going to be used in lots of different applications. This is in the Everest C Open family of key blanks, which is going to feature a side bit, a finger pin, I should say, for the side bit here. Let's start at the beginning. The 30-001, that is a cylinder that is going to be used in Schlage's mortise locks with conventional trim. Okay. I should say conventional sectional trim. This is going to come with the standard L583-153 tailpiece. That's a Schlage. It looks like it's Adams right almost, but it's not. It's definitely a Schlage cam, a beaver tail I've heard people call it. Cloverleaf, not cloverleaf. Cloverleaf is more Corbin Russ one. Beaver tail, I've heard people call that. Anyway, it's a Schlage mortise lock cam. This is, I'm confirming where else it might be used. This is a non-interchangeable core type cylinder. Okay, conventional core they call it. It's going to include its wave washer. You can see why they would call it a wave washer. Its cylinder ring, so that when you install it, the head of that is going to sit nice and tucked underneath or inside of its cylinder ring. The purpose of that is you don't want someone to be able to get just a pipe wrench and attack the head of the cylinder, okay, and be able to twist that off the door and then manipulate the door. That ring is going to turn when you try to get to it. And as you tighten that down, a revolution, that wave washer, is going to allow you to sink that down flush should you want to. Well, you will want to. This is an inch and an eighth mortise cylinder. Mortise cylinders are, it's important to know their length as any other aspect about it. Mortise cylinders are measured from the underside of the head to the back of the cam. That is indeed inch and an eighth. Okay. This is in the 626 finish. That's satin chrome. Obviously, you can order the cylinder face and the face of the cylinder housing to match your locks. The plugs are generally only available in a chrome type finish, satin chrome type finish, and then a satin brass type finish. That'd be generally only what you get those in. Now, the C235 keyway. There is below this video a link to a cut sheet that will talk about the C family of key blanks. The C family is a whole mess of keyways, 10 or so, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 indeed, set up in a multiplex system, has a simplex key set aside. The C family is called C because of the industry familiarity with C, Schlage C keyway. Well, there is no commonality between a classic C keyway and the Everest C family because not only are the keyways different, but this will have a side bit profile to it. People will use the C family Everest because while they're not protected, anyone can technically buy them. You're not going to find them available from the common places where you'll get keys cut. Your shoemaker, they cut keys. Your home big box stores, your home improvement centers. People that are going to sell the C family Everest are going to be distributors, locksmiths, people of this sort of origin, okay, is where you'll find that material. The C235 is part of that system, a multiplex system we call. And a multiplex system provides expandability of a system, of a key system, and bidding lists to people who might draw on the requirements of what a multiplex system would require. The fact that this customer ordered C235s tells me that they have an existing system that likely draws on a multiplex, because they've also ordered C234, and those are related keyways, as is the C123. Okay. Above that, if you look at the chart, sits a C230. Well, that is a key blank, not a cylinder. The bottom row are cylinders, broaching and cylinder plugs that you can stick a key blank into. Above there sits key blanks. What that means is the C230 key blank, if this was a C230 key blank, I could stick it into the C123, the C234, and the C235. Okay, but the C235 won't go in the C234, and it won't go into the C123. They won't interchange laterally, but vertically you can take an all-section key blank and work the key ways, the broachings down below, and they do that because they basically mill the key blank in such a way where they remove, or it can work around the warding of the profile or the broaching of the keyway itself. It's a thinner key, it's a smaller key, because it will pass through those, and that's how it works. There are advantages, certainly, of the multiplex system that this video won't get into, that I do talk about in key blank videos, should you want to search that out. Very easy and simple and straightforward to understand. Nice quality item. This client has ordered these because he is taking his existing Schlage mortise locks that have the classic classic C keyway, and simply needs to really get a handle on that unauthorized key duplication. Again, it's not impossible for anyone to buy this material, because it's not. It's just not going to be low-hanging fruit to do so. This client achieves the security level that they desire with something that's not restricted or protected or impossible to get through any channel, without having to go to for the client, the unnecessary cumbersome nature of truly restricted keyways, which can be very easily done by Schlage and their Primus system. Schlage can give you that common classic keyway, that Schlage C 5-pin, all the way up to stuff that's incredibly protected, patented design, utility patent, things of that nature, and has for decades and will certainly continue to do so. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Schlage 30-001 C235 inch and an eighth mortise cylinder and a 626 finish, or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.